Hi and welcome to Smartlearner Driving School, an award-winning driving school in the West Midlands.
Our experienced DVSA approved instructors are dedicated to providing the highest quality driving lessons. Ensuring you pass your test and develop lifelong safe driving habits. We specialise in manual driving lessons, offering you full driving experience and control over your vehicle. Our structured lessons are designed to build your confidence one step at a time.
We have a dedicated team in our office here to support every need you have. Theory, simulator or lessons.
Our instructors provide clear, calm guidance to help you navigate any driving situation with confidence and ease. Ready to take control of the road?
Give us a call today and book your lessons with us now.